Now, what do you want in your life at the moment? A brand new phone, some new designer shoes, or designer bags? Probably you're a hustler and you're looking for a startup to pump up your business or some type of investment. These will all require you to have a huge amount of money, and sometimes you may think it would take you more than 10 years to finally achieve financial freedom. But hey, I'm about to change your mind, since this brand new money-making method I just found out will allow you to earn a humongous amount of $5,610. Oh yeah, that's right. When I first discovered how much I could earn, my jaw literally dropped. But anyway, this brand new video will showcase this premier method of making money online just by using your laptop or even your phone. It's also very inclusive to all people in the world, as it is available no matter where you are on the planet. Apart from that, this is also beginner-friendly, as there will be no need for any sort of prior experience or technical skills. So just bring out yourself and let your desire to earn money fuel you for pursuing this method. Are you in? Of course you are. I mean, who's gonna turn down $5,000, right? Just make sure you watch this video all the way until the very last second. Remember to never skip ahead, because if you do, then that's bye-bye to this method, as you'll probably miss some pretty crucial information.
But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
Honestly, this method is pretty low-key, and I don't see tons of people making use of this method, so consider yourself lucky that you're watching this video. Without further ado, let me teach you how to pull this off. First of all, I want you to go on Google and search for cool cars. I want you to go to the images section, and you'll find thousands of images that correspond to your search words. Basically, this is step 0, so now let's get right into the first website that we'll be using to generate income. Simply visit the website called teespring.com, which will be the website for you to make money out of those images. As soon as you visit the page, you will see that Teespring is a simple solution for creating and selling products that engage your fans and help you monetize your content. It takes pride in these 3 main features, namely no cost, no hassle, and no risk. On top of this stellar overview, this entire website is 100% free, which means not a single penny will ever leave your pocket. And by the way, it's just so easy that you can do this without shedding a single drop of sweat, so in general, it's just so amazing. Now on this page, I want you to scroll down and you can find a really huge assortment of apparels and accessories with very visually pleasing designs, as you can see right here. So what you're going to do on this website is upload your own designs and have it printed on a t-shirt or any apparel, and just like that, you get to earn tons of money online. On this page right here, you can find tons of categories that you can freely choose which to monetize and print your design on. On this left column, you can find unisex tees, women's tees, hoodies, sweatshirts, tank tops, long sleeve tees, kids and babies apparel, and so many more. So just pick any one of these, which I'll be showing you later on. Alright, so let me explain how this works. You are just going to submit a design like the images I asked you to search in step 0. Then, Teespring will help you print those shirts every time someone makes a purchase. Furthermore, there won't be any cases of having surplus or shortage, since everything is printed on demand. This will then minimize a loss in money, since designs will be developed only when demanded. When you think about it, it's simply just a walk in a park. You won't have the hassle to go and print the shirts on your own, since Teespring will do all the work for you. The only thing that you're going to do is submit your designs, and then that's it. You just wait for easy money just like that. Now let me tell you something. The best thing about this entire method is that your income opportunities are drop-dead limitless. There's nothing that can stop you from creating as many designs as you want in order to create multiple sources of income. Through this, you'll then increase your earnings by a huge mile, which can reach up to $5,000, and it can even go beyond. Now that you have a background on what the entire website is all about, allow me to show you how it works. Step 1, just design and create a custom store instantly for free. Step 2, connect your social accounts, promote your launch, and share your products with your community. And finally, step 3 is where you get the profit you deserve while they handle the production, shipping, and customer support for you. By now, I'm sure you're beyond excited to get started, so let's no longer prolong the agony and head on to the sign-up process. On the home page, I want you to shift your attention to the upper right side of the page and click on Start Designing. After that, you will find yourself being taken to this page where your task is just to fill up the fields that are just about your personal information. Input your name or brand name, email address, and password. After that, fulfill the CAPTCHA over here and tick the box that says I'm not a robot. Once you're done, all you have to do is hit the sign up button while agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy of Teespring. You now have your brand new account and you're now ready to go further in this fresh money-making journey. Now, before going straight into the creative process, you are first going to tell them more about yourself, starting with your store name. Just pick out any name you want since it's your store anyway. Afterwards, just select the option for content creator in the question, which of the following best describes you? Then just prove you're an actual human being by linking your social platforms to the site. You can choose whether to connect your accounts from YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Once you're done, there's nothing left for you to do but to hit that continue button and voila! Welcome to your new store on Teespring.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video.
The first thing that you're going to do once you're on this page is to hit this red button that says Create a Product. After that, you'll then find a wide array of categories that you can see tons and tons of recommendations of what type of apparels are on fire right now. I highly suggest that you adapt from these styles since these are what customers want at the moment. For this video, let's try designing a sample long sleeve tee, specifically this one right here, which is the classic long sleeve tee. Take it away by clicking on this button that says Start Designing, and then you are now all set to design the long sleeve tee. You can start by uploading the desired design for the tee, which was an image of a cool car that you picked out in the very first step. The next thing that I want you to do is click on this button right here which says Add Image and do what it says. Simply add the image you like. After doing so, it will then reflect as the main design on the classic long sleeve tee right here, and you also have the freedom to move the image around in order to put it where you want it. You can choose to put it at the center or just a bit above. You can put it along the side and literally anywhere you want. You can also adjust the image to make it smaller or bigger, and just express your fullest creativity and show it on the long sleeve tee right here. So after you add the image as the main design, you will then now choose the product color, which is basically the color of the long sleeve tee. Personally, I love the color white, and it also complements the image design perfectly. Then you'll name your price and you'll be asked to set a price for your product. For the price, Teespring will automatically set it at $28.99 and your commission is at $15.17. Which is actually more than 50% of the price of the product. Based on that alone, that is surely phenomenal. Where else can you get $15 this quick and easy? At this point, I just want to tell you congratulations for doing a job well done. If you follow everything that I said in coming up with a product design, rest assured you're going to earn big bucks very quickly. However, we're not done as there's still one tip that will help you boost your reach and advertise your product to a wider set of people. Also, I'm 100% sure that you're gonna love this because we are going to use our favorite social media platform, which is Facebook. So on Facebook, I want you to search for groups that are fond of cars. So you can just put car lovers right there on the search bar. After that, just join the group and then upload images of your design as well as the link to your store. Once they see the stunning design that you just made, they are absolutely going to love it, which will then drive them to purchase your product. To maximize your earnings significantly, you can join as many groups as you can and post tons of images. Through this, you're absolutely going to crush this method and make this entire thing a huge success.
And that's it! This is Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.